Hello, Miss Barbara. And what are you cooking today?
We are cooking Val's zucchini, is what I call
Okay.
it. Val's zucchini.
Chef Val
Yes.
and co-chef? Or they call that sous chef?
Co-chef.
Co-chef.
We're co-chefs.
Okay.
Barbara and Val.
And I have had this, and it is absolutely delicious.
It is. It's
And
absolutely delicious.
yes, it is.
This is Barbara. This is Val. Diane asked us to make a recipe that she had that was good. So a couple of months ago, I was traveling and I went to Barbara's in Massachusetts, and we had zucchini, and I said, well, this is how I do it. So the point is, it's adaptable. This is not how we usually do it. We usually do it in an oven. So we adapted it to a grill, and the reason that we're grilling instead of just doing it on the fry is because we've got so many. And then we scored the top of the zucchini. And then one no garlic.
No, there's two no garlic. Somebody said it's no mine.
Okay. How many no garlic?
I'll cheese on the one with no garlic. Oh, I'll take all the cheese. Like cilantro, cumin, parsley, black pepper, and oregano. Spice and tea exchange. I first went into one of their stores in Fort Worth, Texas.
Everyone is enjoying their meal. It says it's 60 degrees, but we all know it's not. It feels 45. And we just ate the best food from Val Barb. It was absolutely delicious. Okay, so what is in there right now?
Right now I had put winter squash in there the other day, and it didn't really cook all the way through. I was able to scoop out some to eat, and then I have pea soup.
Pea soup is in there.
Eating for lunch.
Okay. How hot has that thing gotten before?
It's gotten over 200, like 225.
Oh, that's amazing.
I have a bigger one that's a box with reflectors around it, real insulated. I can get that up to over 300.
Flint contest. Okay. Welcome to day 3. We had some sun this morning, and I'm not sure who that was, but let's find out who that was. Excuse me, what is your name?
Nancy?
That was Nancy that said, oh crap.
Good thing I didn't say the F word.
That's okay, I'll say it for you. Nancy actually fell yesterday, and I have not fallen yet. I fell at Lulu's and I fell at Huguenot.
I was pushed.
Yes, she was pushed.
Did it.
I pushed her. I told her to be quiet. She wouldn't, so I pushed her. Just like I did in middle school. All right, guys. So we are about to have I'm not exactly sure what it's called. It's like a campfire, flint, learn how to start your own fire kind of thing. I don't know. Okay, it is an activity that Diane has put on, the one waving right there. And when she gets up here, we'll know more.
Okay.
All right,
got it.
so here's gloves.
Okay.
All right, we've got chopping tools. The only thing that you can use, thank you very no, not that lint.
Kindle.
No, not that lint. You've got 2 knives.
Okay.
All right, you can't wait. What do you got? I'm not gonna let you go.
No, it's just the plastic.
Oh, okay.
Is that it? Is that it? See?
The plastic that's on my ring. It's never been unpacked.
Okay. All right. So
I don't know how that's gonna go
we've
across
got
the screen.
for protection, we have baking soda and we have water.
Okay.
All right. Now he said what we
In
could
case
do.
we build a
What we could.
bonfire.
Huh?
In case we build a bonfire.
Yeah. So we can use anything natural in here. Nothing that's not natural.
Barbara's cheating. She's starting
I
already.
know I'm lying. So make it really tiny.
Barbara's cheating.
Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't.
Barbara's cheating.
I don't understand.
You can
Yeah.
use this stuff. It's supposed to be natural.
What's
so
the
make it
difference
really small
between tearing
to
that
make
up
sure it
and-
burns.
and-
Otherwise, you gotta pick it all up.
everybody's-
So the flint is this thing here. So you have one. You have one right there. That's the flint. Don't do that yet. Okay. This. Now, what was happening there is you're trying to scrape this stuff off. Okay, that's your whole goal, to scrape that off into your kindling,
Oh, and then like that.
and then go fast and it sparks.
Okay.
Yeah, the rain's coming,
Oh my
y'all.
God, my solar now, everything's out.
Yeah,
Oh, jeez. All right, crap. So
yeah, everything's good.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. My solar panels are out. Okay. Oh my God, why am I running? I can't run. Holy shit. Okay. 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 That goes there. All right, let's get this. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Son of a bitch. All right. We'll put it right there. That's where it stays. Okay. That's good. It's raining. We're good. We're good. Put my drink in here. Fold my chair up. Lay it on the ground. No, actually, let's put it underneath. Okay. Perfect. Where? I can do it. Give me. I know where you are. So Quindy just brought a dessert. What's that called?
it's apple dump.
Oh, the apple dump. Ooh. So we've sent Diane to go back to the van to get us some plates and some forks and spoons. Hi, Maggie. Yeah, let's not even tell her I'm out here, because
When she comes around, I gotta suck my stomach in.
suck it in, suck it in.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's painful.
Good, good. And that's our roaring fire. Look, guys.
And now the lighting is perfect.
Night in the car. Soft hands to go in. That gave me this.
Oh, you hoe. Look at that. Hoeing ain't easy. It is. Sure it is. Look at Taurus.
Into the fire she goes. Oh no!
Yep, I won't be asking you to
So good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, day 4. It was very cold last night. I think it was like 38 degrees, but I think tonight is even going to be colder. But I did it actually okay. I ended up ripping off my sweats and I was in shorts, but the upper body was cold. But anyway, did very well. And yesterday was fun. It was, we didn't do much because it was misting and raining and stuff. Some people went on a nice bike ride. That would have been cool. So we're just hanging out today. We have Taco Tuesday today, Saturday at 3 o'clock. So that's going to be nice. And I'm looking forward to that. And then afterwards, I'm supposed to make a dessert. I'm pretty sure I'm still doing it. It is something over the fire. So you'll see. I'll take pictures of it later. And that's about it. So let's turn around. I'll show you what everything looks like in the morning. And everybody's frozen. I can see everybody has their, or hear that everybody has their cars on. They keep turning them on to get warm. I was good that I didn't have to do that last night because my SUV is so small. I was pretty warm. So let's turn around. So you have Val and Barb taking a walk in the morning. There you have it. So I'm going to go sit by the fire and get a little warm.
It's too short. Yeah.
Look at the girls are doing. Look at this. I'm so proud of my girls. Of course, I'm not exactly sure why Jubilee's car died in the first place, so we'll have to talk about that later.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to back up. I always think this is going to blow.
Blows up.
Yeah, I used
Nice
Nothing.
Have her wrap her engine.
Oh my goodness. Look, guys, we're having shrimp tonight. That's disgusting. Kick it with your shoe. Kick it with your shoe so I can see it.
Colorful grub shrimp.
Killed or deveined yet.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, well, let me know if you know of anybody that's deserving and would love that. That is so funny. I don't even, maybe hers didn't. She shook her head no.
Hi, baby. Hi. Stella. You know I'm going to do it. Stella. Hi, baby. She got little feet. Look at your little feet. Oh, look. Oh, look.